Thinking about starting a business? Sometimes all you need is the right machine to make a product people want. You don't always need a massive factory. You can start with one machine making one thing really well. Let's look at 10 machines that can help you create a new business. Kitchen sponge making machine. Sponges are an everyday consumable. Everyone needs them. This machine cuts and shapes the sponge material. Because the raw materials are cheap, you could see profits around 60 to 80% per sponge. Automatic empanada machine. This is perfect for starting a local food business. An empanada machine folds, crimps, and seals the dough perfectly every time. You can make hundreds in an hour. Food businesses often aim for a profit of 65 to 75%. Slushy machine. This machine is ideal for hot weather. You can set it up at fairs, parks. The ingredients are just ice, syrup, and water. It's common to see profits over 80% on slushies. Artisan popsicle machine. This isn't for your basic sugary ice pops. This machine lets you make high-end, gourmet popsicles with fresh fruit. People will pay a lot more. You can easily earn a 60 to 70% profit. Plastic bottle blowing machine. This one is a bigger operation. This machine blows and molds plastic into empty bottles. Companies that make juice, water, or sauces need them. You sell in massive volumes. Aromatic candle making machine. Candles are always a popular gift. This machine helps you melt, mix, and pour wax and scents into jars. Handmade or small batch candles sell for a premium price. A 50 to 70% profit. Animal feed pellet machine. This machine is perfect for rural or farming areas. It takes raw grains and nutrients and presses them into feed pellets for livestock. A steady, reliable business. Block making machine. This is a heavy-duty construction business. The machine mixes and presses concrete into standard blocks. Builders always need blocks. Neoden kit circuit board. The Neoden kit makes circuit boards. It brings small-scale electronics production to your desk. You can build prototypes like a professional engineer. You can produce boards for smart devices and tech startups. It's a precise system, but it fits easily on a workbench. You can charge good money for custom orders. This machine gives you control over your own small tech brand. You can see profits from 35% to 65%. Once join cup sealing machine. The once join cup sealer is perfect for a drink business. Think bubble tea or iced coffee. It seals up to 600 cups every hour. It works fast and prevents spills and leaks. This is essential for food stalls or delivery orders. It helps you serve customers much faster. This simple machine is a great base for a small cafe brand. You can often earn profits from 60% to 75% on drinks. Advanced pottery. The advanced pottery will turn simple clay into real art. It works for both beginners and experts. It has smooth speed control and quiet operation. People really want handmade ceramics right now. You can make custom dinnerware or unique gifts. You sell these pieces online or at local markets. With high demand for unique art, the profit on your pieces can be 50% to 100% or more. Soap making kit. The soap making kit is a powerful business starter. You can create beautiful, handmade designer soaps at home. The process is safe and very simple. You can design your own brand of organic or scented soaps. This is an easy entry into the growing self-care industry. It's a great way to turn a hobby into a profit. Due to low cost of materials, profits on handmade soaps are often 40% to 90%. Barbed wire machine. This machine twists strands of steel wire into barbed wire. It's an essential product for farmers and for property security. So, there you have it. Some are small and local, others are bigger. Of course, a machine is just a tool. You still have to find customers. But having the right machine is a great way to start.